Okay, so we're gonna carry on from where we left off the last time, which was when we extruded this part for all our letters. Okay, I decided that we should also extrude the back area, especially because we will be dealing with animated cameras and different angles, so it's just best to cover all our tracks. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is first I'm going to hide my image plane, which in our earlier lessons we created a layer for it over here. Image plane, I'm gonna check that off, okay, so we can see better. So I'm gonna select it, I'm gonna right click on top of it, select the face mode, click on it. I'm going to hold down my shift key while on top of my letter, while it's in component mode, right click, extrude face, and let go. So from what I remember, our last settings, our thickness should be 0.175 and our offset should be 0.05, where it kind of crunches it in, skews it down. Okay, there we go. We have that nice little bevel. And then from what I remember, our smoothing angle should be 15, as you notice right now, so that it's a nice nice transition between each angle. See that? Okay. The other thing I want to remind you is how to get out of component mode. Again, I explained it before, but I want to explain it again just in case. So we're done with our movement, or we're done with what we need to do, and we assume we click outside that it will be deselected, but it's not. So you can either just right click on it again and choose object mode and click outside, or select something else. Oh, that didn't work because we have to right click and object mode and let go. Anyway, so that's how you get out of component mode. Select your next object, hover over it, right click, select face, select your face, right click on it, shift, right click, extrude face. Our thickness should be, our local translate should be 0.175. Our offset should be 0.05. Okay, and then our smoothing angle should be 15. And if you look over here, see how it changes. Okay, next one. Select our next object, right click on it, go to face, select that face. Don't forget to select this face as well. Shift, right click on top of it, extrude face, let go. Local translate 0.175, we'll push it out. Our offset 0.05, tapers it in. Then we go down here in the channel box, smoothing angle, set it to 15. There you go. To deselect our object, we could right click on it, go to object mode, click outside, select our next object, right click on top of it, hit face, select the face, shift, right click on top, extrude face. Under this one, we type in 0.175, offset 0.05. Okay, then we go under our smoothing angle, type in 15, and it changed it. I clicked outside, I right click on top of it again, go to object mode, click outside. Next one, you select our object, go to face mode, select the face, shift, right click, extrude face. local translate, local translate 0.175, offset 0.05. Then we go into our channel box. Smoothing angle is at 15. Okay. Next one, select the object, right click on top, go to face mode, select your face. You could shift right click on top of it, extrude face, local translate 0.175, offset 0.05, smoothing angle down here, set it to 15, and there you have it. So no matter what angle you look at, we will see our bevel, in case we have more dynamic camera movement and animation. Okay, so far so good. I'm gonna hit the space bar and I'm gonna look through my separate windows: top view, perspective, side view, front view. I'm gonna hit 5 in this panel so I can see it shaded. Alright, so far looks good. Our letters are a little bit thicker over here and over here, but I'll hit spacebar, side view, but I think it's fine. You know, if you go into the spacebar, you barely notice it. Okay, so that's the end of this lesson.